With the top in place, zoom in over there, take your back panel, and your back panel will sit inside of the ride like this. You have to fish this in through the door. Like so. Set there. And then this will have to lift up onto this back lip. This is when you'll need two people to assist, or now we need to install the back panel to the top. This lip, located between the top and the back, has 3 holes in it. That takes those 3/4 inch, 1/4 bolts with a flat washer on each side and a lock nut. As you can see, we're installing this through the top with the lip of the back on top of the lip of the top. Install all 3 screws. The masking tape, before you tighten it, needs to be removed.